Hello everyone, part 3, the journey into Chi. I'm Anthony Monteith from the Chi Life Academy, a healer in every household. Previously we talked about my first experience in martial Qigong. And now a bigger experience I had was during my training in Chinese medicine in the first 2 or 3 years of my training. It was imperative, and it was taught to us as students to constantly nourish and nurture ourselves at some level. Part of this was to learn a Taoist style of Qigong called cosmic Qigong. There are many different teachers of this style. It requires structure, alignment, and also very strong visualizations. And in this style of Qigong, we had to align our bodies in a certain position, stand or sit, and create a visual structure within our body to link to certain aspects of the earth energy and the heaven energy above us. What I found super interesting for this style of training was the physical pain and the discomfort that I felt during my body whilst holding these very simple postures. Unlike some of the martial stuff, which relied more on breath holds and breath timing and movement, this required utter stillness, utter concentration, whilst remaining in a super relaxed, what the Chinese would sometimes call sung state, this kind of released state of structural integrity. And I could not believe that after only a few minutes, my legs were shaking, my calf muscles were burning, my ankles felt like they were on fire, my shoulders were screaming at me to stop. And I realized that a lot of this was structural tension and energy blockages built up through years and years of external training, of power-based training, of an aggressive external presentation of myself in my exercise and my sporting endeavors. So that was a real eye-opener for me. But what I noticed after a few months of practicing this was an awareness, a deeper awareness of other people, of their problems and their conditions and their illnesses, injuries, postural misalignments became almost intuitive, or more greatly intuitive than what I'd had before. To the point where it almost felt like I could see inside people's bodies. And this would then later on not only help, but could sometimes hinder me, but sometimes would help me diagnose and get a much faster result when helping and assisting people to heal themselves. And that kind of knowledge and information received back from the training really led me down the rabbit hole of inquiring, trying to understand why this would happen, trying to create a theory in my own mind of why this would happen. And after reading many, many books, I still really didn't have the answer, because I felt that a lot of the books written were always subject to the author's own interpretation of the work that they had been taught themselves. So, from martial to cosmic, and in part 4, we'll talk about the big journey, the real big cracking the nut open, which is the inner alchemy work. Thanks for joining me. I'm Anthony Monteith from the Chi Life Academy, a healer in every household.